Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Up. Today I am going to share important MCQs for TSSPDCL JPO exam. Today's topic is Indian Trade Union Act 1926. Before going into this video, please subscribe and like my channel and share the video. Click on bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. First question, the Trade Unions Act came into operation from options 1st June 1927, 1st May 1926, 1st June 1926, none of the above. Correct answer is 1st June 1927. Next question, in which year's amendment of Act was the word Indian removed? Options 1947, 1960, 1964, 1962. Correct answer is 1964. Next one, the Act came into force from option 1st June 1927, 1st April 1965, 1st May 1960, 1st April 1962. Correct answer is 1st June 1927. What is the minimum number of trade union members required in registering themselves as a union? Options 7, 10, 5, 15. Correct answer is 7. Next one, which act in industrial relation defines the term trade union? Options, Industrial Trade Resolution 1962, Industrial Policy 1991, the Trade Union and Labor Relation Consolidated Act 1992, the Industrial Employment Act 1946. Correct answer is Trade Union and Labor Relations Consolidated Act 1992. Next one, which section of Act deals with the registration of trade unions? Options, Section 8, Section 7, Section 9, Section 10. Correct answer is Section 8. Deals with the registration of trade unions. Next one. Which of the following act does not apply the registered trade unions? Options, the Cooperative Societies Act 1912, the Societies Registration Act 1860, the Companies Act 1956, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above, which does not apply the registered trade unions. Next one, which of the following is an object on general funds could be spent as per section 15 of the Act? Options, payment to buy goods required for an enterprise, payment of employees in the factory establishment, the payment of expenses for administration of trade union, or all the above. Correct answer is C, the payment of expense for administration of trade union or any member thereof. Next question, on which of the following grounds an office bearer or an executive of trade union to be disqualified? They have given three statements. Has been convicted by a court of any offence involving moral repudiated and sentenced to imprisonment, has not attained the age of 18 years, is not working with any establishment. Options A and B, A and C, B and C, D, A, B and C. Correct answer is A and B. Has been convicted by a court of any offence involving moral repudiated and sentenced to imprisonment, has not attained the age of 18 years. Both the statements are correct. Next one, how many members' consent is required to change the name of registered trade union? Options, 1/4 of total members, 3/4 of total members, half of the total members, 2/3 of total members. Correct answer is 2/3 of total members. Next one, how many percentage of votes should be recorded when amalgamating two or more registered trade unions? Option, 60%, 50%, 20%, 75%. Correct answer is 60%. Next one, how many members should sign the notice of dissolution? Options, 5 members and the secretary of trade union, 10 members and secretary of trade union, 20 members and secretary of trade union, 7 members and secretary of trade union. Correct answer is 7 members and secretary of trade union. Last question. On what grounds can union refuse to admit person or expel a member? Options, because of goodwill, because of misconduct, because of change in job, none of the above. Correct answer is because of misconduct. That's all friends for today's video. Please wait for more videos and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and share the video. Click on bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so